Assalamualaikum and very good morning, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank you for attending this meeting. And I think, and I'm very sure that you all have received the meeting invitation and meeting agenda for today that I have sent via email. So today we are going to discuss about the progress of our project that we have decided last meeting. Before that, I would like to take attendance for today. Okay, first, Rohana. Rohana, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Gita? Okay.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, next will be Alia.
Yes, I'm present.
Okay. Then Amy. Is Amy here?
Yes, I'm right here.
Okay. Okay, first let's go over the minutes from the last meeting, which was held in November 24th. Right now, I will pass over to Alia.
Sure, thank you, Azza. Okay, let me just go through to the main points from the last meeting. That we have decided on the last meeting, we have decided on several projects to do in our workplace. The first is we decided to proceed with the risk assessment for a safer workplace. Second is recycling program for the eco-friendly. And lastly, we finally facilitate more signage for disabled employees. And lastly, the meeting was declared closed on at 11:30. Thank you.
Thank you, Alia. If there anything else that we need to discuss, let's move on to today's agenda. Have you received all the copy of it?
Yes,
Everyone?
we have received it.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with the safety. Emmy, could you please present the project progress?
Sure. First of all, thank you so much, Azza. Thank you for giving me the opportunity for me and my team to conduct the risk assessment in our office. My team and I have conducted the risk assessment last Monday, and I will email the report to you shortly, right after meeting with the Human Resource Department. To be honest, there are a few hazards actually that need extra attention. I have listed out. So the first one, I noticed most of the heavy files were stored at the top of the shelf, and it is highly recommended and necessary that all those heavy files should be stored on the low shelf or on the ground to prevent any falling or causing serious injury. So my team have made a note and put a warning at the shelves, and also we have included in our report as well. As for the second one, is about the poor condition of plugs and cable. After walking around in our office and checking all the computer cables and plug for all the employee days, we found that it is all the computer cables and plugs were in a poor condition, and which could lead to short circuit anytime, and this is very dangerous. As for safety reason, we have marked the area and rearranged the employee days that affected to the other safe days for the time being, and waiting for the technician to change it. And for the last one is about the condition of the fire extinguisher. All the fire extinguisher that have been installed were already outdated. It is mean that most of them are in a bad condition and already reached to the expired date, and it is supposed to receive up-to-date servicing to ensure they are in the working order. And as for this, we have contacted the ISO certified team to have a look and service all the expired extinguisher in our office. I think that's all from me.
Okay, thank you so much for the heads up, Amy. I'm looking forward to the report. How about the awareness program? Is there any updates on it?
Yes, right. I'm sorry. I almost missed out on that one. And as for the awareness program, my team are currently distributing all the safety and awareness survey to all employees, including us here. You will receive it shortly. And we will evaluate the survey to determine the level of safety understanding among employees. And from that result of the survey, we will collect all of it and evaluate and analyze. And then we will find out whether we are going to proceed with with the awareness program. And should we proceed with the program, I will definitely give a call to Alia and give a heads up to you too, Azza.
Okay.
Thank you, Ami. I would be happy to collaborate with you in the future.
Sure.
Okay, next I will update on my current proposal report that I mentioned on the previous meeting. So the current status is I've almost completed the proposal for the recycling program. 2 days before, I already sent a copy to each one of you for you guys to review the proposal. And at the moment, I'm waiting for feedback from the finance department. Just to know whether is there any adjustment I needed to make before we can finalize or proceed with the program. So the materials that we needed are basically just waste bin, flyers, posters, signage, and some funds for the competition prize. Okay, next I will brief a little bit about the activities that we will have in the recycling program. Okay, the first activities is recycling activity, which is of course the main activity for the recycling program. Okay, my idea is we place 3 different bins in each department or level for the employees to educate themselves on how to sort their own waste. And then to make it more interesting, a competition will be held throughout the year, and every department that collect the most recycle waste will be considered the winner of the month. And we will probably awarded them a trophy to 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 thank them for their effort. And then the next activity is poster making competition, which will be themed on eco-friendly or environmental friendly theme. So the top 3 winner will be given a shopping voucher range from 50 ringgit to 200. And then the other poster from the competition we will be hang on the wall in around our office, which can help to make our office more eco-friendly. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Alia. But regarding the recycling program, may I know how are you going to sort the recycle item? I mean, do we need to provide the bin? Is it a standard bin, or we will distribute every department with their own bin, creative bin, so they can sort the item? And about the competition, please let me know the latest date for the competition so that we can discuss with finance department to prepare the prize.
Okay, for the recycle bin, my idea is we provide the bins because currently we don't have enough waste bin in our office. So in each level or department, we give them 3 waste bin with different color to differentiate between the type of waste. Okay, for example, green for cans and bottle, blue for paper, and yellow for other waste that cannot be recycled. And yeah, and for the competition prize, since it will be a monthly competition between department, we will determine the winner on the last week of the month, and announcement of winner will be on the first week of the following month. So I think there should be enough time for us to prepare for the competition prize. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so I consider we'll start the competition by next month, Alia, right?
Yes, we can. I think we can start as soon as next month.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you, Alia. Next, Gita, how is the progress of your project?
Okay, hi everyone. Good day. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak regarding about this. I have discussed with my group members where for suggestions put more indicator or signage to direct disabled friendly, user friendly in our workplace. I have made improvements in using cost saving materials and helping these organizations stabilize finances at the same time also. I have also designed a special design assisted by a leading designer in this field to get best result and more helpful in producing the best. There have been some variety of designs that have become a concern for disabled. I have also identified some suitable material to use following the current trend to be displayed in the workplace. I suggest that we display in a place that is suitable for them. If we multiply this, I think it will make it easier for the disabled to notice it. I have also made a detailed cost estimation and have already emailed everything to finance department and for Azaz's attention as well last week. I have provided some design samples at the market prices and from suppliers who can supply the materials on time. Apart from that, I also have a proposal date to give these disabled persons a chance to meet with their superiors. I have included in the email for Azaz's attention. Detailed program information is there. These changes can provide disabled, sorry, these chances can provide disabled tell their wants and needs in more detail that we can plan something well in future.
Okay. Yes, Kita, I have received and read the email you sent to me. Somehow, may I know how far is your team have finalized the signage, and which is the location you're going to hang up the signage? Regarding the date that you propose, I suggest you to look back because on that date, actually, is a quality day. So I think you better confirm back with the HR department. And how about
Okay.
the about the program tentative? Have you emailed everybody?
Okay, dear Azhar, for the installation location is around the entrance to the workplace and in public facilities such as toilets and canteens. And okay, I will follow up with HR department regarding about the date I proposed after this and update with you the feedback soonly because I also know it is on quality day. Thank you for reminding me also. I also have emailed the tentative program to everyone before the meeting. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Gita. Great progress. Finally, overall of our plan, for sure, it is important for us to hear from our financial department. Ms. Rohana, could you please something to say?
Rohana, I think you are mute.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Azhar. Yes. Regarding to the risk assessment conducted by our safety and health officer, I hope that you can send the report to the asset unit and list down the appropriate specification of the appropriate shelves for heavy files. So they will compile all the assets needed by our organization before sending the details to the finance department. Okay, for your information, also the new plugs and cables are available for replacement, and hopefully it can be done as soon as possible. For the outdated fire extinguisher, I suggest that we can add more new fire extinguisher, especially at the high risk working areas. Amy, could you give detailed information about this fire extinguisher and the cost of service? Because we have no problem to allocate the money on safety and health improvement, since we have balance from the previous year allocation for safety and health.
All right, sure. That will be a great idea, great news. So I'll make sure to give you the report once I'm done meeting with the Human Resources Department later.
Okay, thank you, Amy. So, Gita, I have received your email regarding the signage and cost estimation, and the finance team had reviewed the proposed estimation and satisfied with the cost.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, welcome. I also received email from Alia regarding to the award that shall be given to the winners. Besides awarding trophies, I think additional cash prizes would be interesting to encourage active participation from all the staffs. Well, the amount of cash prize will be revealed in our next meeting. Okay. So
Okay, I think
overall, my team and I had reviewed all the framework and estimation costs for this program, and we are very satisfied with the proposal. We are in the middle stage of approving the cost, and hopefully everything will be done by the end of this week.
Okay. Okay, it seems to be a good green light. And I'm very pleased with the progress. So thank you everyone for your all hard work and dedication. And I hope our mission to provide a safer, disabled-friendly, and eco-friendly workplace will succeed. Other than the progress, is there anything that you want to raise up here,
So
Amy?
far, no issue. All good.
Okay, good. How about you, Gita?
It sounds all good, no problem so far.
Okay, great. Okay, Alia, how about you?
all good from me. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Rohana?
No issue.
Okay, if like that, so I enjoy this meeting and thank you everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, Azza.
Thank
Have a good day,
you.
everyone.
Thank you. Have a good day.
See you.
Okay.